Alright, back again, and just finished a flip-flop with two NAND gates. These are quad NAND ICs, so there's that, and Arduino is a constant 5-volt source. Alright, so if I turn off the lights, you can see one is lit up. And if I change the input of the other one to, if I change that to 1, then it should light up. Alright, well that's not working very well. Kind of disappointing. We have messed this up. Oh, no, alright. Just gotta jiggle it. And then if I do this one, it'll set it back to 0. Yep, alright. That one again. Jiggle it a little bit. There we go. Alright, get a better view. So that one's high right there. And then I'll change that one to change that one to high. And it will light up that one. Alright. Bye.